guys, it's Dresden, and today I am going to be doing something a little different. So today I'm going to be building this. This is the Lego Technic Extreme Adventure vehicle truck. It has tracks and moving parts because it's a Technic. It also has 2,382 pieces, so it might take a while. So I'm going to do a time lapse of me recording this. I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, smash the like button and hit the red subscribe button and that bell icon below. And let's get straight into it. So first thing first, we gotta open it. Okay, let's dump out all the bags. There's a lot of bags. Here's the instruction manual. And it is big. Oh, look at all the stickers. Here's the instruction manual. It has a lot of pages. How many does it have? It has 387 pages. It has 555 steps, as you can see here. 387 pages, 555 steps. Can't read it, but it does. So yeah, let's get started with the time lapse now. We will open up all these bags and get right into building it. Let's go.
Last night, maybe I can make it right. Sit down close to baby, we can talk about it. No need to be mad, hate to see you sad. Yes, I know I'm crazy, crazy about you, crazy about you.
I know I'm upset sometimes, I know I get drunk some nights, I know I get way too high, I just wanna live it up with you. I know that it might be tough, I know when you've had enough, it's just how I show my love. Now you cannot live it up with you.
last night. Maybe I can make it right. So I'm close to baby. talk about it.
Made a mistake last night. Maybe I can make it right. Sit down closer, baby. We can talk about it. No need to be mad. Hate to see you sad. Guess I know I'm crazy, crazy about you, crazy about your love. I know I'm a flirt sometimes. I know I get drunk some nights. I know I get way too high. I just wanna live it up with you. I know it might be tough. I know when you've had enough. It's just how I show my love. Darling, can I live it up with you? I'm a flirt sometimes. I know I get drunk some nights. I know I get way too high. I just wanna live it up with you. Darling, can I live it up
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright, so we've finished. Well, I finished. Dad helped a little bit, but I built all of it, but maybe 3 pieces. Oh yeah, we fixed problems like 4 times where I forgot to put a piece on, or forgot to connect it, or put the wrong piece. But I'm gonna show you guys. This thing is really big. I'm going to show you all the things it has. So first off, it has independent suspension on every wheel. So it does have suspension. And it also has these 4 containers and extra tracks in case the tracks break. The tracks, they do work on hardwood surfaces because these are rubber, kind of sticky. But let me show you all the features. So first, it has the hood. Lift that up. It has an engine that moves the pistons with all 4 wheels. It also steers with this. It steers better when it's moving, but it does steer. It has the 40th anniversary thing on it. 40th anniversary badge. It also has opening doors that open really neat. They open the top and the bottom with the seats inside and the steering and the handbrake, and both doors open, so it looks like they're gullwing doors. And then it has opening sides with a first aid kit. And this one has a fire extinguisher as well as the first aid kit. On the other side, it is just the first aid kit, or the fire extinguisher. And then it also has an opening back. Opens, and it has a little shovel in it, in case you get in any sticky situations, or I guess snowy, frozen situations. It also has a roof that raises so that you can have sleeping quarters right there. And you can sleep in there, your little character. And then it also, on the other side, has, where am I going at, this side of the pool table, whatever, has a winch. So on the front it has this, and what you do is you lift up this piece and you can pull out the winch. Just doing this all with one hand. It's kind of hard with one hand. Yeah, just pull out the winch, and you can't pull it out anymore, so you can tug on stuff unless you lift this up, and then it reels it back in. The four-wheel drive, as you can see if I turtle it, it has four-wheel drive. By spinning this gear, the drive shaft goes through both. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. This creature took about, I would say about 11 or 12 hours to make. Just me making it with no help. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button and hit that red subscribe button and that bell icon down below to get notified when we upload. And until next time, this has been Dresden with Kimber on my computer playing Roblox. Good job, Kimber. And goodbye. What is it called?
I don't know.
Alright, so it is the blood wolf thing eclipse right now. Oh. I think.
Ow.
Look. So first off, the snow. Oh, it's so blurry. Look at how bright the moon is though. It looks like the sun. Like it's so bright.
You can't look at it.
And it's so bright out here. That is
Your car is crashed.
really bright. Oh, yeah, my car had a little bit of a problem, by the way. Just saying. Alright, back to the Lego.
Whoa.
Oh,
Crazy.
wait.
Oh, it's snowing?
Oh, it's snowing, but look at the moon. It's like red.
The phone doesn't, or the camera doesn't capture it very well. That's pretty cool.